What? Oh dear. Against lots of filming.
Crossing the river. 21 years ago this year.
Hang on a second. What's this out Oh, didn't hook on. Oh, there we go. Hopefully it'll do it this time. There we go.
I had a put a new head up a few years ago, and it was 3 inches too short. Like 3 inches from the end to make it fit. Last couple of days, it's just got a stack from the So if anything's moved, we'll see you again. This terminal is an isolated. Yeah. Oh, well, this is based on a real location. So everything. So everything arrived and left by Castle. So why did they have a railway? Just to move it? Yeah.
Actual scene. It's a Garrett. Excuse me. Oh dear, it's stopped. It's a, yeah, that's a Garrett. Oh, down to 20. Oh, here's an interesting one. These ones were on the Chiltern railway line. Sorry.
Just to let you know that as well as what you can see here in the hall today, there is a Garden Railway exhibition outside with live stream, and also if you go out of the back door and turn left, that will take you into the front house where there is our second-hand store, and also the children's colouring competition. You get some really nice prizes as well. We've got some fantastic train sets for the kids. They keep winning, so bring them along and let them have a go.
Oh, that one stopped. Yeah. This is N-gauge model railways. Alright, alright, up. Oh god, sorry. Oh god. It's a... Yeah, I've seen that cat earlier on. Oh, I hope you don't get allergic now.
He's done the butter, he's done the rubber.
Oh, there we go. Nice. Wonderful. Oh, I love the way they put like granite and made it shiny like that.
Great, isn't it?
Excellent. I'm loving it.
I like the class. It's like furry.
It's a teddy bear fur.
Is it teddy bear fur? It looks good.
It's been
This was its prototype livery. I gotta video that. Absolutely wonderful. Oh my god, I can actually smell the battery stuff. Oh god, my finger's in the shop. And it stopped. The colour.
You've already had a sausage roll.
Madja. Ooh. Grandpa. Madja. Go off. What?
Well, we have been here, what, about an hour and 20 minutes.
Oh no! Something happened.
it's all good. It's all right.
Good man. Good man. Where's that sound coming from? Which one's the sound coming from? Oh, the class 20?
It's just a program.
Very, very nice. Loving this.
Come to here and here. No, those four just come to the next row. And then
Jump, 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 jump.
yeah. Go.
Give it some welly.
Those four up. Try not to load too much.
Milo. And Sotter. Going to switches and head this way. Hello, it's the cat again. Sorry.
Wear and tear
Keep
on
going.
radiators and so on.
It's so long. Great.
Yeah, I've got that one at home.
Where's
What?
Scotland?
Over there. Excellent.
Band leader. No, yeah, Roger Lumpkin.
The tiniest things change. Look away and the tiniest thing may have changed.
Okay, I like the Network Rail fans.
Yeah.
John sent an email out saying
Miniatur Wunderland. Oh no! He's a Sam.
That I'm more on board with. Rather than like slowly to take over the house and I'll go a bit insane.
Well,
This is much bigger. So nice and thick, isn't it?
yeah, you would.
I've got battery left. Do you think my
I know. I put it on low power mode.
Okay, do you think my battery, do you think my power pack's going? Because it doesn't seem to charge for very long anymore.
Oh, I thought it was okay.
Well, we've always got the car, we can charge stuff in the car.
Yes, we can.